Hello and welcome back to Techie Expert. Industrial automation, robotic process automation, test automation. What do the terms all mean? Are robotic and automation the same thing? A lot of people wonder if automation is right for them. Business owners are asking, should I invest in automation or should I invest in robotics? But what's the difference in these two? Is automation and the robotic same things? Automation is a hot topic in many industries right now. It can refer to several things, not just robotics. So this video would clear all your confusing regarding this. So let's go. First thing, if you're a business owner, you're probably wondering whether automation or robotic is right for your business. The quick answer is, it really depends on your current business needs. If you can think of even one or two tasks which are repetitive or cause our bottleneck, they may be a good candidate for automation. If they are physical tasks, industrial automation or robotics could be the answer. If they are virtual tasks, a form of software transformation may help you. So, what are the automation and robotics? The basic difference between automation and robotics, I will explain you. So first, let's look to automation. Automation means using computer software, machines or other technology to carry out a task which would otherwise be done by a human worker. There are many types of automation ranging from fully mechanical to fully virtual and from very simple to mind-blowing complex. Now let's look what robotics is. Robotics is a branch of engineering which incorporates multiple disciplines to design, build and program. Use robotic machines. There are obviously crossovers between the two. Robots are used to automate some physical tasks such as in manufacturing. However, many types of automation have nothing to do with physical robots. Also, many branches of robotics have nothing to do with automations. There are two types of automation. First is software automation and second is industrial automation. So let's look what software automation is. Most of the information on automation that you can find online is about software automation. This involves using software to carry out tasks which humans usually do when they are using computer programs. For example, GUI test automation is a very to test computer program. It involves recording the actions of a human while they are using a graphical user interface. This action are then replayed to autonomously test the program after changes have been made to the underlying software. Other types of software includes business process automation, BPA. This is a very high level strategy to streamline business processes. It involves formalizing all processes with the business and then integrating them into automation software. Implementing BPA can involve dramatically reconstructing the business. Now let's look robotic process automation, RPA. Despite its name, RPA has nothing at all to do with physical robots. It refers to software robots which are programmed to use computer programs in the same way as a human operator would. They won't necessarily complete tasks in the most efficient way, but they are easier to integrate into existing business processes. Now, intelligent process automation, IPA. This is an extension of RPA which uses artificial intelligence to learn how humans perform tasks when they are using a computer. This allows the software robots to perform more intelligently than with the static rules used in RPA. The difference between BPA and RPA is quite subtle. To use an analogy from robot manufacturing, BPA is a bit like ripping out of your entire human-operated production line and replacing it with a fully autonomous factory. RPA is like adding a collaborative robot to one workstation within the production line. Now let's look industrial automation. When we talk about automation and robotics, we are usually referring to industrial automation. Industrial automation is all about controlling physical processes. It involves using physical machines and control systems to automate tasks within an industrial process. A fully autonomous factory is the extreme example. There are many types of machines within the industrial automation. For example, CNC machines are common in manufacturing. Robots are only one type of machine. So, what is robotics? Let's start with basic. Robots are programmable machines which are able to carry out a series of actions autonomously or semi-autonomously. They interact with the physical world via sensors and actuators. Because they are reprogrammable, they are flexible than single-function machines. Robotics therefore refers to anything involving robot. Within industrial automation, robots are used as a flexible way to automate a physical task or process. Collaborative robots are designed to carry out the task in the same way as human would. More traditional industrial robots tend to carry out the task more efficiently than a human would. Robots that are not automation to make it a little more complex, some robots are autonomous, meaning that they operate without humans directly controlling them, but they are not used in automation. For example, a toy line following robot can autonomously follow a line painted on the ground. However, it is not automation because it isn't performing a specific task. Instead, the line following robot while transporting medicines around the hospital, then it would be automation. So, do I want robotics or automation? When deciding whether to invest in automation for business, you should consider this of the following point, which I am going to say. Decide if you want to automate part of your business. If the task or process you want to automate are virtual, look into software automation. If the task or process you want to automate are physical, look into industrial automation. Determine if your physical task or process it could be performed by a robot. If so, look into robotics as a solution. If not, look into other industrial. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and let us know what you learned from this video. Also, for latest updates from tech industry, follow us on all our social media platforms. Thank you.